In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Teams to Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever tried to schedule a meeting in Outlook and couldn't find the Teams option, don't worry. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the key things you need to check so that Teams shows up properly inside Outlook, both for the desktop app and the web version. Let's start with the basics. Microsoft Teams and Outlook need to be connected under the same account and license. Make sure you're signed into both apps with the same work or school account, not a mix of personal and organizational accounts. If they don't match, the Teams add-in often won't appear in Outlook. Next, open Outlook on your computer. We're going to check whether the Teams meeting add-in is enabled. In Outlook, go to the File menu in the top left corner. Then choose Options. In the window that opens, look for the section called Add-ins. Here you'll see a list of all add-ins currently installed in Outlook. Near the bottom of this window, there's a Manage drop-down. Make sure it's set to COM add-ins, then click Go. In the list that appears, look for Microsoft Teams Meeting add-in for Microsoft Office. If you see it, but it's unchecked, simply check the box and click OK. After that, close Outlook completely and reopen it. When you create a new meeting, you should now see a Teams meeting button on the toolbar. If the Teams add-in isn't listed at all, you may need to repair or reinstall Microsoft Teams. Close Outlook, then open the Teams desktop app. Make sure it's up to date by checking for updates in the app's settings. Teams will automatically try to install the Outlook add-in when it's updated and you're using a supported version of Office. After updating, restart your computer. Open Outlook again and check for the Teams meeting button. For Outlook on the web, open your browser and sign in to your Outlook account. When you create a new event in the calendar, you should see an option to add an online meeting. If your organization uses Teams, this will typically default to Teams or give you a drop-down where you can choose Teams as the provider. Finally, remember that some organizations control these features through admin settings. If you still don't see Teams in Outlook after following these steps, reach out to your IT support to confirm that Teams meetings are enabled for your account. By the end of these checks, you should have Teams fully integrated into Microsoft Outlook and be ready to schedule online meetings with just a couple of clicks.